Hello friends, today I'm going to unbox this trimmer, the professional cord and cordless hair trimmer from MOSER line. You can see here, it is made in Germany. Li+PRO Mini. You can visit the website as well, the www.moser-li+pro-line.com, and you can visit here. So what are the things inside this box? Let me check. Let me open this box. Okay. Star blade, quick charge, constant cutting power, cord or cordless operation, ergonomic. So okay, fine. Let's open this box. Okay. I'll open this box. So in this it consists of guarantee. Okay. Guarantee is there. Okay, this is some operating instructions. This is general safety instruction. Here you'll find these things. Okay, here's the charger. It's liquid. There is the trimmer, charger. Here you can adjust the clip. You can adjust here. I think this like this. You can put this like this. Okay, put like this. Yeah, this charger. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel.